Welcome to this complete Alicante, Spain guide. Nestled on the sun-drenched Costa Blanca, Alicante is a vibrant city bursting with history, culture, and incredible cuisine. This seaside gem is not just a feast for the eyes, but a banquet for the senses. In this guide, we'll explore 10 must-visit spots from the towering Santa Bárbara Castle to the bustling Mercado Central de Alicante. And of course, we'll make sure to dip our toes in the azure waters of Postigo Beach. So without further ado, let's dive into the heart of Alicante. First on our list is the Santa Bárbara Castle. This majestic fortress, perched high on the Mount Benatin, has been standing guard over Alicante for over 9 centuries. Its roots trace back to the 9th century during the Muslim control of the Iberian Peninsula. Over the years, it has seen the footprints of diverse civilizations, each leaving an indelible mark on its walls. Its strategic location was no accident. The castle's commanding position provided a perfect vantage point to spot potential threats from both land and sea. But today it serves a far more serene purpose. It offers visitors panoramic views of the sparkling Mediterranean Sea, the bustling city of Alicante, and the enchanting landscapes of the Costa Blanca. And it's not just about the views. The castle itself is a labyrinth of hidden gems, from the old dungeons and cannons to the charming Patio de Armas. With its rich history and stunning views, Santa Bárbara Castle is a must-visit in Alicante. Next, we stroll down the Explanada de España. This vibrant promenade, the city's pulsating artery, is more than just a walkway. It's Alicante's living room, a place where locals and tourists alike gather to soak in the Mediterranean charm. Imagine a beautiful mosaic made up of 6.5 million marble tiles undulating beneath your feet like waves in the sea. Overhead, a canopy of palm trees sways gently in the breeze, providing dappled shade from the Spanish sun. The scent of the sea mingles with the aroma of fresh churros and strong Spanish coffee from the nearby cafes. Hear the soft strumming of a Spanish guitar, the laughter of friends meeting for a late afternoon tapas, and the excited chatter of children chasing pigeons. Day or night, the Explanada buzzes with an energy that's infectious. It's a place to stop, to breathe, to watch the world go by. Explanada de España, where the city's heart truly beats. Now it's time to soak up the sun at Postigo Beach. A stone's throw away from the city centre, Postigo Beach is a prime spot for both locals and visitors who wish to bask in Alicante's pleasant climate. This urban beach is a sparkling jewel of the Mediterranean, with crystal clear waters that invite you to dive right in. The soft golden sand is perfect for building sandcastles or simply lounging around with a good book. Imagine the soft lull of the waves, the gentle caress of the breeze, and the warm sun on your skin. It's not just about sunbathing and swimming, though. From early morning yoga sessions to late night strolls, there's something for everyone. Whether you're seeking a peaceful retreat or a vibrant beach scene, Postigo Beach delivers. It's a place where you can leave your worries behind and embrace the laid-back Mediterranean lifestyle. Postigo Beach, the city's own paradise. Next, we dive into history at the Archaeological Museum of Alicante. Known as MARC, this museum is a treasure trove of Alicante's rich past. Its exhibits span from the prehistoric era through the Roman Empire and up to the modern age. With artifacts sourced from archaeological sites across Alicante, MARC offers a comprehensive chronicle of this region's history. But what makes MARC stand out is its interactive nature. It's not just about looking at old objects, it's about experiencing history. You can walk through recreated Roman streets, touch replicas of ancient tools, and even try your hand at archaeological techniques. And let's not forget the special exhibitions. These displays delve into specific time periods or themes, providing an even deeper insight into Alicante's past. From the mysteries of the Iberians to the grandeur of the Romans, each exhibit is a story waiting to be discovered. So step into MARC, where history comes alive. Now, we set sail to the beautiful Tabarca Island. Just a stone's throw away from Alicante, this serene isle has a history as colorful as the waters that surround it. Once a refuge for Barbary pirates, it's now a tranquil escape for those seeking a slower pace. Imagine swashbuckling pirates replaced by sun-seeking tourists, quite the transformation. The island is also the first marine reserve in Spain, teeming with diverse sea life. Here, the ocean's treasures are protected, allowing nature to thrive and for snorkelers to marvel at an underwater world of color and life. And let's not forget about the island's serene atmosphere. Here, the hustle and bustle of city life feels like a distant memory. The gentle lull of the waves, the warm Spanish sun on your skin, and the tranquil hum of island life create a truly idyllic setting. Tabarca Island, a piece of paradise off Alicante's coast. Back on the mainland, we explore Alicante's Old Town, El Barrio. Picture a labyrinth of narrow, winding cobblestone streets where every turn uncovers a new sight to behold. Here, the buildings blush in hues of terracotta and saffron, adorned with blooming balconies that spill over with vibrant flowers. Now imagine the air filled with a symphony of sounds, the soft strumming of a Spanish guitar, the hubbub of locals exchanging stories, the clinking of glasses toasting to the good life. This is El Barrio at its liveliest, a place where the city's heartbeat is most palpable. As the sun dips below the horizon, the nightlife in El Barrio comes alive. Cafes transform into bustling tapas bars, while the squares echo with laughter and music under the soft glow of the streetlights. This is El Barrio, an enchanting place that embodies the true spirit of Alicante. El Barrio, where Alicante's soul resides. Next, we head to the stunning San Juan Beach. Renowned for its sparkling, crystal-clear waters, San Juan Beach is a true jewel of Alicante. This isn't your average beach, it stretches as far as the eye can see, boasting a vast expanse of golden sand that's just begging for a day of relaxation under the Spanish sun. But San Juan Beach isn't just for the sun worshippers among us. This beach is brimming with activity, from volleyball games and sandcastle building competitions to serene yoga classes at sunrise. And for the more adventurous, there's a whole host of water sports on offer. Fancy a spot of windsurfing, or maybe paddleboarding is more your style. You'll find it all here. There's a wonderful sense of community at San Juan Beach, with locals and tourists alike coming together to enjoy this slice of Alicante paradise. So, whether you're here for relaxation or recreation, you're sure to find it at San Juan Beach, Alicante's playground. Now we venture into the bustling Mercado Central de Alicante. This isn't just a market, it's a lively hub where locals and tourists alike come to experience the flavors and culture of Alicante. The air is thick with the scent of fresh produce, from crisp apples to sun-ripened tomatoes, all sourced from the fertile valleys of Alicante. As we walk further, we're greeted by the tantalizing aroma of local delicacies. You can't help but be drawn to the counters serving traditional Spanish tapas. There's nothing like a plate of jamon iberico or some perfectly ripe manchego cheese to give you a true taste of Spain. The market is more than a place to buy groceries. It's a place where you can engage with locals, learn about their culinary traditions, and taste the freshest products the region has to offer. It's a gastronomic adventure that you simply can't miss. Mercado Central, where Alicante's flavors converge. Next, we visit the Grand Basilica of Santa Maria. This majestic edifice, steeped in history, stands as the oldest active church in Alicante. Erected over the remains of a mosque during the late 13th and early 14th centuries, it showcases a stunning mix of Gothic and Baroque architectural styles. As we step inside, the basilica's ornate interior takes our breath away. The high altar, adorned with a beautiful image of the Virgin Mary, captures the essence of devotion and reverence. The serene atmosphere, amplified by the soft echoes of prayer and the faint aroma of incense, makes for a truly spiritual experience. A stroll around the basilica's exterior reveals a facade that's a work of art in itself, with intricate carvings depicting biblical scenes. The two robust towers flanking the entrance add an imposing charm to the structure, reminiscent of the fortresses of yesteryears. Basilica of Santa Maria, a testament to Alicante's faith. Finally, we ascend the majestic Mount Benatin. This towering sentinel, standing at 166 meters, offers an unparalleled panoramic view of Alicante. From here, the city unfurls before your eyes in a stunning array of colors and textures, from the azure Mediterranean Sea to the terracotta rooftops of the Old Town. It's as if Alicante is lying at your feet, inviting you to explore and discover its many secrets. As we journey along Mount Benatin's well-trodden hiking trails, each step introduces us to a new facet of its natural beauty. The indigenous flora and fauna, the whisper of the wind through the trees, the sense of tranquility. It's a nature lover's paradise. Here, you're not just observing Alicante, you're experiencing it. You're becoming a part of the city's rich tapestry, woven from centuries of history and culture. Mount Benatin, Alicante's natural watchtower, it's not just a mountain, it's a vantage point into the heart of Alicante. And that, my friends, is the beautiful city of Alicante. From the historic heights of Santa Bárbara Castle and Mount Benatin to the soothing shores of Postigo and San Juan Beach. We've strolled the vibrant Explanada de España, explored the past at the Archaeological Museum, and savored the tastes of Mercado Central. We've discovered the charm of Alicante Old Town and the tranquility of Tabarca Island, and marveled at the Basilica of Santa Maria. So, when are you planning your visit to Alicante?